What is up, everybody? There is blood in the streets. Everyone is panicking and freaking out. And I got a new haircut since last video, and I'm feeling very cute. But that is not why you're here. You are here because you want Crypto Nerd to talk you out of killing yourself. It's a joke. I don't even know if I can say that on YouTube. Hopefully I can, because I'm definitely not going to edit that out. All right, but let's talk. I've got some good news for you today, so I don't want you to freak out too bad. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Obviously, I know that Bitcoin lost 90K. I know Ethereum lost 2,800, and everything has come down. I wasn't sure if we were going to come down a little bit further or if we were going to just chop for a little bit longer, but it looks like we are heading one step down before continuing up again. And we're going to look at some stuff, but I'm going to just give you a spoilers right now. I know you're looking at your portfolio and you're seeing oh my God, I'm 80% down. My life is ruined. It's all hopeless. I should just end it now. Why did I ever buy crypto? Okay, relax. There's many people who have lost way more money than you. There's many people who have suffered way more than you. Your life isn't over. Your life isn't ruined. Okay, things go up and things go down. Right now, we're in this very strong correction. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Alts are down 60 to 80%. Many meme coins and many of the smaller coins, they've all been zeroed. Many went to zero. But hopefully you are holding some good quality coins that are basically at the bottom, and they are getting ready for their great grand recovery that you should be so excited about. Let's jump in. I'm kind of sick of yapping at you. Let's just go straight into it. And I don't know why I'm getting the black screen after I literally just before starting my recording made sure that this is supposed to work. Oh, okay, actually, sorry. Let me calm down because it is working. Actually, before we jump straight to here, let's look at our fear and greed index, because this is the first major buy signal that we have. And by the way, in this whole video, I'm going to be saying buy. I don't know if we're at the bottom yet. I actually think that we're not. I think we are going to go a little bit further. But your job as an investor is to buy undervalued coins, sell them when they're overvalued. And right now, we are getting signs that we are undervalued. This is the fear and greed index. Guys, this is an amazing indicator. This tells us whether we are overvalued or undervalued. Very simple. It's like a pendulum. Sometimes this swings up here, and then it swings back down, and it goes back and forth like that. When we're over here, that means that we are overvalued and we should sell. When we're back here, that means we are undervalued and we should buy. That being said, none of this is financial advice. I am just a guy into crypto making videos on the internet. We haven't had extreme fear like this. I don't remember having any kind of number like this since the bottom last year. I think we bottomed at 18 last year in 2024. And that was the very bottom. Some people are calling for Bitcoin to go all the way back down to 74K or even 71K and completely erase everything it gained since, Trump's election. But with the fear and greed index this low, I'm really doubtful. So that's the main thing I want to highlight. Very strong buy signal, fear and greed index in extreme fear. Let's also jump over to this altcoin RSI. And this, sure, that made it maybe a little bit cleaner. I'm sure my head is still covering some of the ratings over here on the right. Anyway, very simply, when many of these coins are over here in this red zone, that's a time to sell. When they're down here in this green box, that means it's time to buy. And you can see that these red dashed lines are where they were. And you can see that all of these in the last week have completely plummeted from these stronger overbought zones to these totally oversold and weak zones. And this is only over a week time scale. So it's not as accurate. I gotta be honest, this isn't that accurate. I really wish we could look over a 3-month period, because so far 2025 has been absolutely horrific for altcoins and crypto. One of the worst starts to the year in crypto history, actually. Really ugly, really bad. And look, I know I'm hurt too, but that's what you got to do. If you're in the market, you've already felt by far the worst of it. It doesn't make sense to keep freaking out. And finally, we're going to take a look at the scary green and red candles, but don't worry, I'm going to explain everything and make it nice and simple. You can see that this is the price of Bitcoin. Just voice cracked, and ignore that. That was Discord. Sorry, that was me. That was not you. You can see that Bitcoin's price has totally tumbled after losing that diagonal support. And the question is, where are we going? Well, we could be going to a few different places. My guess is I think we'll probably touch 80K. It's possible we don't, but given the current drop, I think we probably will touch 80K. And right now, for reference, that's me again. Sorry, not going to redo this video. We are at 84K. So another $4,000 drop. If you want to know what that is in terms of percent, that is about, why can't I see this? Okay, that is about a 4% drop from where we are. That doesn't seem right at all, honestly. Let's quickly take a look at our RSI. Our RSI is another thing that's telling us that we are way, way oversold. Our RSI, this measures strength, by the way. When this white line is in this above this green line, very, very strong sell signal. When we're below the red line, very, very strong buy signal, and we are under it. I mean, this is at 24, so strong buy signal here. This is the MACD. I know we got fancy, colorful lines. We don't know what's going on here. What I wanted to see was this blue and small orange line dip under this midline, this baseline, zero line, midline, whatever it's called. I wanted to see this crossover here. My problem was that over here during like this phase of this like sideways chop is it was too close to the baseline. That's not really what you want to see when you're looking at a MACD. You want to see these lines actually go deep under and then start the recovery process. That is what I want to see. And I'm starting to feel a lot better because finally these are really dropping under this zero line. So that says to me that we're finally getting this strong move that needs to shake off all of this fluff. And then finally, we can come back up and continue this next leg up. Another thing I want to show you is we can take a look at the Sopper. I forget the actual name for it. And we have two red candles here at the very bottom printed. This is like an incredibly strong buy signal. I mean, every single time this has flashed, we can even come back. The last time that like flashed majorly was like in August 5th of 2024. And then we had a couple flashes here. And this was literally the bottom of this long consolidation in all of 2024. Then the very last time we had it was like right here, which was also the bottom of this chop. And we are again getting this Sopper sell signal flashing. So another really, really strong buy signal. So that's what I really wanted to cover. I really wanted to come and tell you quickly that, look, I know everyone's panicking and freaking out, but this is the best time. When everyone else is freaking out, that is the best time to get cheap coins. You have access to really, really cheap coins right now. If we take a look at Ethereum, we can see that Ethereum tumbled as well, and we have not lost this very strong diagonal support yet, so that's looking really, really good. If we take a look at the RSI, we are basically about to cross over into this like very, very oversold category, which is as usual a very strong buy signal. And the MACD, we are way below this baseline, and it looks like we're actually getting a reversal down here. We may go even lower, and then we're going to start going up again. I'm still very, very bullish on Ethereum. Yeah, I think this is a very, very cheap coin. Like Ethereum at 2,200 or 2,300 is just absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. If we take a look at Solana, again, amazing price on Solana. We got this really strong cool off. In fact, we haven't seen this strong of a cool off in, I mean, almost literally since the start of the bear market last time. That's how cheap you're getting these coins. Look at this MACD. This is crazy. If you're not buying here, man, look at this RSI. This is so oversold. Solana is at a great target right now. If we take a look at XRP, I mean, XRP is under the 100-day EMA, so really great price on XRP. Everything I'm seeing is looking really, really good. I'm seeing lots of buy signals right now. I know your portfolio is in pain and you are hurting right now, but you know, this is just part of crypto. It swings up a lot and it swings down a lot. You got to learn when to take profits and when to buy. That is the truth. And so here we are. Sorry, again, that was me. We are about to start this great recovery process, and we're about to swing up again very, very soon. I would not be selling here and trying to buy prices a little bit lower. If you're in the market, you're already down at least 60%. Again, sorry. So you've already felt it. At this point, just wait until the recovery process. And then when we're back up at the very top, then I'll be like, guys, I'm taking profit here. And then you'll do what you want. Okay, now I do quickly need to make you aware of an amazing resource in our Discord. We have an exclusive custom developed AI trading assistant that I'm going to show off one of the commands right now, just called /info. You can do /info and then any coin you want. So let's just do Bitcoin because we're boring. And it's going to pull up this info panel of any coin you want. So that took a little while, so I got a little bit scared, but yeah, no, we're good. It pulls up a description about it so you can actually know what you're buying. Because look, I know you listen to these crypto influencers that tell you to buy random coins and you don't know what they do or what they are, but you buy them anyway. Well, now you can actually check. You also get a details panel so you can make a more informed decision. And we have a built-in tokenomics rating system that'll give you a score out of 100 on how good its tokenomics are. This is one of many, many awesome things. We also have daily market reports posted daily into the Discord, and it tells you whether to buy or sell based on different indicators. Anyway, it's super, super cheap right now. It's like $20 a month or like $60 a year or something. We're going to increase prices soon. So I also give one-on-one consultations on my website. So if that sounds interesting to you, check that out. And I have a deal with Gemini, a popular crypto exchange, that if you create an account using my link in the description and trade $100 or more, you get $10 deposited into your account for free. Think of it as a gift from Mr. Crypto Nerd himself. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.